Good morning, everybody. It's Richard Miller here doing a quick Ichimoku Cloud Chart market update on the S&P 500 index. And I'm looking at the S&P 500 4-hour chart. Since the last update, we managed to break through the bottom end cloud chart and top end cloud chart resistance levels. These levels will now turn into key support levels, so keep an eye on the 3450 level, as well as the 300 and the 3399 or 3400 level. These are Q4 support levels, so any type of weakness in the market, we could see a sell-off back down to these levels. So be aware of that. That's the downside risk. Now, from the S&P's recent price action, a little bit extended now because we broke through multiple resistance levels. We even took out a 3,500 cloud chart shadow resistance level, so very, very strong price performance. The risk here is that we're going to close this little gap here over the next couple of days, so that we could see a snapback end of this week, beginning next week, just depending on the earnings season and how the company's earnings momentum is, could see a bit of a snapback here on any weakness in the market. The old high here is the current target for the next level of resistance. So far so good. Had a very strong rally after rebounding from key cloud chart support levels. Managed to break through the cloud chart resistance level. Our outlook's changed from bearish when price action's below the cloud. That's bearish to bullish on a 4-hour S&P 500 chart. So far the rally's now set into deep into the fourth quarter. Just be aware that we're a little bit extended now. Took out multiple levels. Volume is a little bit light up at these levels. We'd like to see a bit of a snapback and then for the rally to resume after that. So price action next couple of days is going to be critical to see if we're going to continue, have a follow through in this market, or are we going to consolidate back down to test support levels at 3.5 and 3.450. So keep an eye on the price action this week to see if we're going to see any correction or if we're going to see a follow through to the old high from these levels. But a little bit extended now, volume's a little bit light. Would ideally like to see a bit more volume coming in at these levels. Until next time, happy trading.